Today I'm going to start my project with my underwater transom lights. It's going to be down there, and that will include installing a new panel down here. I'm going to remove the VHF. I don't need that one. It's not required in my waters to have that type of equipment. So let's get going. So I bought a new sort of circuit breaker thing here that I hope is going to fit here. So let's remove this white one and check it out. Fit. Open this up a little bit more and then have some sort of adapter to make these two fit better together. No biggie. I can remove up to this line about here. Shouldn't interfere. I should be able to get that on there. But I would like to have a nice bracket there to help me, get a good finish. But let's see what happens. Let's see if I can cut some of this away with what I have on board right now, or I need to probably bring this to my shop and make an assembly of it. Perhaps that's a better idea. Let's remove this one and bring it with us. Right, let's bag them, bring them, and improve them. Crack here, but come on, good enough, right? All right, here are my lights. Unbox this. I have some documentation here. This report about how it illuminates. Some data, and keep moving here. This up. Screws, got a plate, hopefully watertight, and right, find a spot for it. So I only bought 2 of these, not realizing that the best for me would be to have 3, 1 in the middle and 1 on each side there. So I think I'm gonna order another one, but you know, that doesn't stop us. We can still continue. Another thing is, you know, accessibility here. And now I should be able to, so that's a piston for the trim, right? So if I put them on the sides there, down here I have this thing here, goes all the way back. So I can't be too low there when I'm gonna install them. Now, let's see where the drive shaft is. There's the drive shaft. So I can't probably not, should be about that height for the middle one. So that's a constraint I have. I can be perhaps on the lower end of the drive shaft in terms of that axis. So somewhere there, I guess, between the engines, and somewhere there for the side ones. But let's check out the height for the drive shaft and see where we end up on the transom, and if that is suitable at all. The drive shaft is about here. So we follow a line, be about here, and then we'll have a line here. And the water line is usually up here, as you can see. So down here is the lowest I can go, perhaps like here. Let's put it somewhere here, and then order 1 more to have on each side. Wonder if this is enough. Should have a bigger one. Should be a bigger drill. Let's try this one. That's it for this episode. I'm going to continue working on those underwater transom lights, but I need to catch y'all another day. And please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification so you don't miss out on any future content, and I'll see you in the next one.